I have just wrapped up a couple of trips down to Florida where I was doing some scouting for my spring photo workshops. And while sorting the photos from that trip and going through my many different hard drives, it came to my attention that I have now crossed over 1 million photos that I've taken with the Canon 100 to 500 millimeter lens. And so in this video, I kind of want to just do a quick video, kind of just celebrating that. I've reviewed this lens at depth multiple times. If you haven't seen those videos, if you're interested, you can see both of those on my channel. I've already talked about why I love this lens so much, despite having a Canon 600 RF f4 lens. I have a 400 2.8 lens. I have the DO 400 f4 lens, but I always end up coming back to this lens. Despite having all of those large prime lenses, I prefer, when I can use it, to have that one lens where I can zoom in and out in a very large range drastically, very quickly. And that's where the 100 to 500 has always come in handy for me. And if you've seen either of my review videos, you'll realize that I shoot this lens a lot more than even my big expensive primes. And one of the quick questions that I just wanted to address that I've been seeing a lot is, what about this lens versus the 200 to 800? I had the 200 to 800, I sent it back. I just ended up, personally, I preferred the 100 to 500. Now, I don't use this lens with teleconverters. For me, this is a straight 100 to 500. If you want that 200 to all the way out to 800 range, go for that lens. I prefer the 1 to 5 because, being an L lens, I need weather sealing. For me, that's extremely important. And I found this lens just to be a little bit better in certain areas. I think it's a hair sharper. I think the autofocus is just a little bit faster. But that 200 to 800 is phenomenal, especially for the price, not knocking that lens. But I do often get asked about it. I've had both lenses. And for me personally, I just prefer the 100 to 500. So for the rest of this video, I kind of want to just show you some of my favorite shots that I've taken with this lens. And thanks for watching. And again, if you want to see my reviews, please check them out on my channel.